In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product description in WooCommerce fast and easily. Whether you're new to managing an online store or looking to enhance your current process, these steps will guide you through updating your products efficiently. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to your WordPress admin dashboard. Make sure you're already logged in, because having access to the right settings is crucial for managing your WooCommerce store. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll notice a variety of options in the sidebar. What we want to focus on today is the Products section. Click on the Products tab. This area serves as the heart of your WooCommerce store where all your current offerings are listed. You'll find detailed information about each product here, which makes it really convenient when you're managing a large inventory. But for today, we are looking to add a new product. Therefore, find the Add New Product button and give it a click. This will take you to an interface that allows you to input all the necessary information for your new item. From the product name to its unique details, this is where the customization magic happens. Pay attention to the product description area. This section is often a deal maker or breaker for prospective buyers. Clicking on Product Description will open a text editor where you can elaborate on the specifics of what you're selling. Think about the details your customers will value, such as size, material, benefits, or potential uses. Clear and engaging descriptions not only inform, but can also persuade buyers by painting a picture of how the product fits into their lives. Once you've crafted your description, ensure there are no typos and it aligns with your brand's tone of voice. You might choose to use bullet points for clarity or slight humor for personality, whatever resonates best with your audience. It's important to check that your description incorporates relevant keywords too, which will help with SEO and ensure your products are easier to find in search engine results. After refining your description, just make sure all other necessary details are filled in, like the product name, price, and category. Double-check all entries before publishing to ensure there are no errors that could impact customer decisions. And there you have it. By following these simple, straightforward steps, you've successfully added a product description in WooCommerce quickly and easily. Remember, an enticing and informative description is a key component in turning site visits into successful sales. As you become more familiar with the process, you'll find you can do this even faster, making product management a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped streamline pushing new products to your online store. Happy selling!